An accessory that comes with the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a slide-on table. So it comes completely flat in the box with the little legs waiting to be pushed down and opened up. Now, as you can see, it doesn't fit on the machine just yet. You just slide off the accessory box and slide this into position. Now, if your table isn't perfectly level, you can actually adjust these little screws at the bottom to kind of bring it into touching your table at the right space. Now, why do you need a table? Number one, a wider surface is going to help with free motion quilting. Any type of project that is a little bit heavier and might be weighing down on the front or back of the machine. And definitely when we talk about our Stitching Cosmos online course and we start to work with decorative stitches, it's nice to have that flat surface so things can go nice and smooth. It just is that extra work area. This is usually done with a stabilizer underneath the fabric to help support the decorative stitches. And as we saw on the machine, you have a lot of stitches built in. So one of the things we do talk about with decorative stitches is number one, they look always so much prettier stitched out than they do just pictured up here on the lid. So I always talk about to my students is to make a stitch book. I'd like you to click on the link below this YouTube video. You can be taken to one of our free Stitching Cosmos classes that talks about how to make your own stitch book and some tricks along the way. So definitely take a look at all of these stitches that you have. And don't forget that even though some of the first couple stitches might look like utility stitches, put some decorative thread on them, stitch them out, and you will be surprised at a few of them that you might actually fall in love with and use them also as a decorative accent.